Can you rise for our prayer? We followed by our singing of national anthem.
Pupurihan at isasalamatan ka namin sa lahat ng iyong mga ginawa at pagpapala. Salamat sa panibagong araw na pinapaloob mo sa amin. At sa oras
Alright, Madam Secretary, we have a report of sacrificial business. Kindly roll report.
The role of the honorable members of the 11th Assembly of Bayan. The Honorables Chua, Jordan, Galangay Jr., Bernardo, Sanibol, Timson, Galan, Ong, Galang, Reyes, and Councilor Nuadayar, our temporary presiding officer.
Sir.
There are 8 councilor members in attendance.
Alright. We have a report with the sacrificial business. And let's proceed now to letter A, reading and consideration of the minutes of the previous session.
Allow me to present to you for consideration and approval the minutes of the 62nd regular session of the 11th Assembly ng Bayan of Socrates West Manila, held on February 22, 2024, at the session hall of the Assembly ng Bayan sa Barangay Manila, Palawan. Subject session was attended by the majority of Bayan members. The temporary presiding officer, Honorable Chua Dayar, making call the session to order at 9:30 in the morning. The secretary then called the roll after the prayer and the singing of the national anthem. With the attendance of the majority of the Assembly ng Bayan members, the temporary presiding officer declared the presence of a quorum to transact official business. For the reading and consideration of the minutes of the previous session were presented by the chair of the body for consideration and approval. There having no comments and corrections from the body, the minutes of 61st regular session held on January 15, 2024 were unanimously approved upon motion. Councilor Desado.
Thank you very much. Any comments or amendments regarding the minutes of the 16th regular session? There's none, kindly move. Alright.
Report the minutes of the 62 regular session of the 11th Assembly ng Bayan of Socrates Palawan of January 32, 2024 at the session hall of Assembly ng Bayan sa Socrates Palawan.
Right, it's been moved and duly seconded. The minutes of the 62nd regular session of 11th Sangguniang Bayan, Supronyo Española, Palawan, held on January 22, and the session of Sangguniang Bayan, Supronyo Española, Palawan, is hereby adopted. Anyone or anybody who wants to avail the privilege and question hour? Mr. President.
Mr. Presiding, base po ito sa nangyari nung nakaraang session at doon nga tayo nag-discussion pero sana ito ay privilege speech. Hindi na dapat tayo mag-discuss dito. Gusto ko lang ilatag din talaga na tama po yung ginawa namin. Yung paniniwala namin base sa internal rules po natin. Saglit lang nga, Mr. Presiding.
Dalawa na kayo siguro?
Base sa paniniwala namin na tama po yung ginawa natin na kailangan pag yung suspense of the role na i-include yung isang measure sa second reading is needed siya ng 2/3 votes of the Sangguniang Bayan present. So by the record, Mr. Presiding, pero nandun na tayo, approve na po yan, din-approve natin mga. Nandun na po tayo, base sa record, ng internal rules ay nagkaroon po tayo ng violation kasi ang total number of present natin ay 10 members. Isa lang po absent, nagawad lang. So sa makatuwid, 1/2 lang siya, hindi siya 2/3 na violation po ng ating internal rules. So yung nangyaring pag-a-approve po ng authorization sa sagutan ng Sangguniang Bayan sa isang mayor o pag-include ng isang measures for urgent measure is ano po yun, Mr. Presiding, ay medyo mayroong technicalities. So hindi na natin dapat debatihan kasi nakita po namin, ay ito babasahin ko, Mr. Presiding, Section 9 nga talaga. Section 9, ito yung base sa internal rules, updating and modifying the internal rules of procedure of the Sangguniang Bayan of Supunyo, Espanola, Palawan, authored by Johan Hermain. Section 9, deviation from the prescribed order of business may be done only under the following circumstances. Letter A, when the Sangguniang Bayan decide to suspend the rule through an assumed motion by the chair or through a motion to suspend the rules by a member. So nangyari po yan, Mr. Presiding. In any case, the decision to suspend the rule shall require a vote by general consent, a unanimously vote, or at least 2/3 votes of the Sangguniang Bayan present. Yun lang din, Section 9 in letter A. So yun lang din, Mr. Presiding, gusto ko lang ipabot, pero tuloy nyo na po yan kasi na-approve na po yan at napirmahan na po yan. Wala, gusto ko lang ipabot na tama po yung aming paniniwala base sa internal rules. Thank you po.
So, sususpende natin ng rules sa pamamagitan na 2/3 sa pagsuspende. So, tama po yun. Suspende natin ng rules.
Nagkaroon po tayo ng mutation, is 5 member lang ang vote for affirmative, 2 members yung negative, at 2 members yung abstain. So,
Sa pagpapasok.
Oo.
Pagpapasok natin ng
Tama po yun, Sir.
pero
But based doon sa
sa pagsuspende po, 2/3.
2/3.
Okay, sa pagsuspende. Okay.
Para
Tama
hindi
naman.
na po magiging precedence, Mr. President.
Tama naman po yung ginawa natin. Wala namang mali doon. Sige, thank you. So good. Okay.
Yeah, good morning and
Yes, sir.
thank you for submitting. This is in relation do sa mga request ba sa society ng mga barangay na ina-approvean yung cockfighting do sa mga barangay. Ngayon, paparating na yung mga celebration ng purok. Yung purok ba ay makaka-avail din ng permits na base doon sa mga requirements na mag-comply nila yung purok na mag-comply yung requirements at ganang solusyon, kukuha ng permit, papayad. Sila ba ay may karapatan doon sa Kintakas na yun?
Alright. Councilor Jordan, Chairman, Committee ng Ways and Means. Pasabog.
Actually po, kasi yung sa ating ordinance sa twice a year lang po yung barangay magpasabong. Kahit sa purok po siya ilagay basta twice a year po. Yun lang po yung nabibigyan ng permit sa para barangay foundation therapist. Tabala na po kayo kung saan purok nito basta 2 beses pa po sa isang taon.
Right? Councilor Gala, sir. So, anybody? For privilege and question hour pa rin tayo. Yes, sir.
Karagdagan ng Mr. President kasi although na mayroong ordinance but the purpose is to earn money para makumita yung munisipyo. So, hindi ba pwedeng dagdagan yung ordinance na basta magsisecure lang sila ng permit ay kapayagan sila kasi pareho rin naman yung ibabayad ng purok. Kasi pag sakaling hindi sila mababa ng permit, magpapasabong din sila. Mas pag nahuli o kaya pupunta mga polis, magdisgrasya, magsipagtakbuhan, masugatan, o magpalisod. So, yun yan po. Thank you, Mr. President.
Yes, may hirit si Kagawad Galang.
Kagawad Lokel po yun. Yun po yung sabi ni Kagawad Lokel na sa presidential decree po. So, national law po yung gano'n. Ewan ko na lang kung pagbigyan ng sanggunian ng ano. So, depende na lang po sa atin yun kung bibigyan natin sila. Pero kung mapasyahan po talaga natin na yun lang po, 2 beses lang sa isang taon. Vista at foundation lang.
Fiesta Foundation, 2 beses. Okay. So, bakit? Ano na lang siguro? Ingat na lang, baka mahuli. Kasi nire-regulate talaga natin yan. Nire-regulate para huwag namang sabong na sabong kasi. Huwag susugal, okay? So, ang purpose ng sabong, pang-entertain ng mga bisita, no? Mula sa ibang lugar. So, regulated siya, 2 beses. Okay? Opo. So, any issues po and concern about sa ating mga measures? Wala na? So, if there's none, we will leave the privilege and question hour. Let's proceed to letter G. First reading and referral of proposed measure and communication. And after that, siguro mag-recess muna tayo. May puntahan lang. Right, number 1.
Forwarded resolution number 2024-01 of Barangay Pulot Interior. Resolution requesting the municipal government of Subuano Español to grant the request of Barangay Government of Pulot Interior to hold Tongpor at Sitio Singka, Barangay Pulot Interior, every Saturday of the week.
To Committee on Ways and Means. Number 2.
To Committee on Ways and Means. Communications from Mr. Sunny Monte, Purok President, requesting to hold Tongpor traditional cockfighting at Sitio Malalong, Barangay Pulot Center.
Same. Committee on Ways and Means.
To Ways and Means.
3.
Forwarded resolution number 2024-02 of Barangay Panitian requesting to hold traditional cockfighting Tongpor every Thursday at Purok Pagkakaisa.
Ways and Means.
To Ways and Means.
Number 4.
Communication from Mrs. Mary Grace B. De La Torre, MSWDO, requesting to pass a resolution authorizing the local chief executive to enter into memorandum of agreement with the Department of Social Welfare and Development Office for Mimaropa for the provision of technical relief augmentation assistance in the municipality of Subuano Español, Palawan.
Refer to Committee on Rules, Laws, Government and Privileges.
To Committee on Rules.
Number 5.
Communication from Mrs. Mary Grace B. De La Torre, MSWDO, requesting to pass a resolution authorizing the local chief executive to enter into memorandum of agreement with the Department of Social Welfare and Development Field Office for Mimaropa for the supplementary feeding program in the municipality of Subuano Español, Palawan.
Same. Committee on Rules, Laws, Government and Privileges.
The Committee on Rules.
Number 6.
Proposed resolution requesting Honorable Dennis M. Socrates, Governor of Palawan, to establish Palawan Rescue 165 Operation Center in the municipality of Subuano Español, Palawan, introduced, sponsored by Councilors Drew Adahir, Main Michael L. Jorda, Fred A. Gatagan Jr., and Nena P. Sinigo.
Refer to Committee on Rescue. Risk Reduction to, no?
To Committee on Risk Reduction.
Yes. Number 7.
Communication from Mr. R.C. Dane Mansour, Municipal Budget Officer, submitting the annual budget fiscal year 2024 of Barangay Labog, Panitian, Barangay Panitian, Barangay Punang, Barangay Sumbo, and Sangguniang Kabataan ng Barangay Panitian sa Province Española, Palawan for appropriate review.
Refer to Committee on Annual Budget is for Finance.
The Committee on Finance.
Number 8.
Communication from Ms. Efreliza F. Obiopas, Secretary of Barangay Iraray, submitting Barangay Executive Orders, fiscal year 2024 of Barangay Iraray for appropriate review of the Council.
Committee on Rules.
The Committee on Rules.
Number 9.
Communication from the Acting Municipal Mayor, Marcita C. Acoy, requesting authorization to enter into a memorandum of agreement with Western Philippines University for the purpose of supporting the university's on-the-job trainee or students for urgent consideration of the Sangguniang Bayan.
MOA is Committee on Rules.
To Committee on Rules.
Number 10.
Communication from the Acting Municipal Mayor, Mercedes C. Acoy, requesting authorization to enter into a memorandum of agreement with the Center for Health Development, Mimaropa, for the fund transfer of cash incentives for the mobilization strategy accomplished by the LGU for urgent consideration of the Sangguniang Bayan.
Refer to Committee on Rules, Laws, Good Government, and Privileges.
To Committee on Rules.
Number 11.
Communication from Mrs. Rosaline Choco, Secretary of Barangay Panitian, forwarding the executive orders released this calendar year 2024 for appropriate review.
Refer to Committee on Rules, Laws, Good Government, and Privileges. Letter Rights Committee report. But before committee report siguro, mag-ano muna tayo? Recess muna. Ako. Mag-read na mo tayo. Right, 20 minutes recess. Right? 20 minutes is up. So I will proceed out to our session. Okay, letter H, committee reports. Number 1, committee report number -2024-38 by the Committee on Ways and Means. Councilor Bibi Jota, sir. Anong date ito? February 15 to 17?
Opo, February 15.
Pinta kasi.
Committee report number 2024-38 submitted by Committee on Ways and Means and Games and Amusement. Subject approval of the request of Barangay Ilaray to hold 3 days Pentakasi on February 15 to 17, 2024. For the presiding officer, the committee to which above stated mission was referred to had already convened to consider the same dues would like to report its recommendation with the following justifications. Number 1, that Purok Mandaragat Barangay Ilaray sought the endorsement of the Sangguniang Bayan for its cockfighting event 3 days Pentakasi on February 15 to 17, 2024 related to the celebration festivity for its patron saint. Number 2, that said request was conveyed through resolution number 4 series 2024 approved on December 6, 2023. Number 3, that such events are allowed provided permit for the operation has been secured. Number 4, that cockfighting of any form regulated by the Municipal Ordinance number 2020-195 which grants event barangay to hold cockfighting events twice annually every fiesta and founding anniversary celebration. Findings and recommendation foregoing considered as committee deems that granting of endorsement approval will not be in contradiction of any regulatory law or local ordinance since the event has already been consented by the barangay through the issuance of the request. Therefore, the committee recommends for the approval of the request of Barangay Ilaray to hold Pentakasi on February 15 to 17, 2024 to be carried out for the second reading on this particular session. Prepared by yours truly, Committee Chairman on Ways and Means and Games and Amusements, concurred Honorable Jonathan G. O, Co-Chairman, Honorable Fred A. Gatungay, and Johan R. I. Harmain, Co-Chairman.
Comments or amendments regarding the committee report number -24-38? There is none. Can you move?
I move Committee Report number 2024-38 be adopted.
Alright, committee report hereby adopted. Next committee report number -2024-39, the Committee on Ways and Means.
Committee Report number 2024-39 submitted by Committee on Ways and Means and Games and Amusements. Subject approval of the request to operate and hold Tegid Hell Cockfight Tapor or of Barangay Sumbo. For the presiding officer, the Committee on Ways and Means and Games and Amusements to which the above stated mission was referred to had already convened for its consideration. Those would like to present its findings and recommendation with the following premises to it. Number 1, that Barangay Sumbo through resolution number 4, series of 2024 requested to be allowed to hold Native cockfighting Tampor twice a week in its area. Number 2, na Purok Magsasaka Barangay Sumbo intend to hold tampon every Tuesday of the week and Purok Maligaya of the same barangay every Saturday of the week. Number 3, that subject activities or cultural practices, traditions that must be preserved since they bring people together and foster sense of oneness. Number 4, that such practice is allowed provided permit for the operation has been secured. Number 5, that cockfighting of any form is regulated by Municipal Ordinance number 2020-195, which permits the operation of the same given the cultural practices in the municipality. Findings and recommendation and consideration of the foregoing, the committee is in opinion that approval of the request will not be violate of any existing law or ordinance. Now therefore, the committee recommends for the approval of the request of Barangay Sumbo to hold and operate tampon twice a week every Tuesday and Saturday to be calendar for the second reading in this particular session, prepared by yours truly. Concurred, Honorable Jonathan J. Ong, Co-Chairman, Honorable Freddy Gatungay, and Honorable Joan I. Hermain.
Any comments or amendments regarding the committee report number -24-39? If there's none, kindly move.
I move committee report number 2024-39 be adopted.
Well, the committee report number -29-39 is hereby adopted. Next committee report.
Committee report number 2024-40 submitted by Committee on Ways and Means and Guilds and Amusement, subject approval of the request for endorsement of a Barangay Abu-Abu for its cockfighting events this month of February 2024. For the presiding officer, the Committee on Ways and Means and Guilds and Amusements, to which the above stated measure was referred to had already convened and considered the subject measure. Those who would like to present its findings and recommendation with the following premises to it. Number 1, that Barangay Abu-Abu sought endorsement for the cockfighting events reflected hereunder. Letter A, 3 days cockfighting there. 3 days fighting Pentagasi po siguro ito.
Alright.
3 days Pentagasi on February 20, 21, 22, 2024 and 1 cup, 1 special permit for 3 cup derby on February 23, 2024. 2 cup po ito.
Tukak derby. Okay.
Number 2, that said request was conveyed done through resolution number 1, that's 2024, approved on January 2, 2024. Number 3, that requested events are allowed provided permit has been secured and derby is held in coordination with the franchise holder for cockpit operation. Number 4, that cockfighting of any form is regulated by the Municipal Ordinance number 2020-195, which grants by every barangay to hold cockfighting events twice annually every fiesta and founding anniversary celebration. Finding and recommendation. In consideration of the foregoing, the committee is in opinion that approval of the request will be in congruence with all existing issuance of and the local ordinance regulating cockfighting in the municipality, provided that the 3 days cockfighting shall be identified as Pentagasi. Wherefore, premises considered, the committee recommends that the request be granted through the passage of a resolution approving the request of endorsement of Barangay Abu-Abu for its cockfighting events this month of February 2024 to be calendar for second reading on this particular session, prepared by yours truly. Concurred, Honorable Jonathan J. Ong, Co-Chairman, Honorable Freddy Gatungay, and Honorable Joan I. Hermain, members.
Any comments or amendments regarding committee report number -24-13? There's none. Kindly move.
I move committee report number 2024-40 be adopted.
That's approved. The committee report number -2024-30 with the Committee on Ways and Means hereby adopted. Right, committee report number number 4, no? 2024-09, the Committee on Environment and Natural Resources. For that, may I request to relinquish the chair for chaired by Honorable Michael Jonas. Ma'am, thank you so much for ay pupunta lang po.
Good morning po. Okay po, kindly make the report.
Mr. Presiding, before I proceed na mabasa yung committee report ko, may kunting explanation lang po ako para ang request po ng ating kaibigan, Mr. Mike Wibis, kanyang Condel Bendo, Fuel Bendo. Paano po ito? Ako rin po nagsabi doon sa ating sekretariat kasi almost nang inaprubahan natin dito ay may mga papel na. That time, hindi siya complete. So sabi natin, paki-complete na lang ma'am dahil gaya ng nakagawian natin, kumpletuhin mo ng papel bago natin i-pursue. So, madalit sabi, nalampasan po siya ng ilang session dahil hindi complete. And then, nung last session po natin, na-complete but na late din nung hapon. So, okay lang sa akin nung time na yon, nung Lunes. Pagka Martes, naisip ko pala next session, wala tayong session. Kaya yun, tumawag kayo sa akin. Pero sa to say, hindi na-approve yung ating hilingan. Pinukan ko lang po dito, Mr. Presiding, na tayo naman, bilang isang sangguniang bayan, although mga kaibigan natin, sinasabi natin talaga, kahit na yung kay Kagawad Lim ko dati, sinabi ko sa kanya, makomplete mo lang yan. Hello, parang may na pa rin. Makomplete mo lang yan, walang problema. So, yun na po. Gusto ko lang po i-kuhan, sinabi ko kay ma'am, kasi yung fuel bid doon na po ito, kumbaga sa tumatakbo po yung kanyang tumatakbo yung kanyang metro. So, yun po, wag na lang po natin isipin na kung ano po yung nangyari dito sa proposal ni Kagawad Wibis. Hiniling ko lang po dito na sana maging okay na po dito.
Mr. Presiding, Committee Report number 2024-09,
submitted by Committee on Environment, Natural Resources, Protection and Solid Waste Management. Subject, request for the endorsement of proposed fuel bendo machine business of Mr. Michael D. Wibis, located at Barangay Iraray, Socorro, Española. For the presiding officer, the committee to which the subject measure had been referred to had already considered this the same and would like to report in findings and recommendation with the premises list hereunder. Number 1, that Mr. Michael Wibis requested for the endorsement of the Sangguniang Bayan of his proposed operation of fuel bendo machine at Purok Pag-asa, Barangay Iraray, Socorro, Española. Number 2, that his subject request is supported by an endorsement from the Barangay Council of the Iraray conveyed through resolution number 11/2024. Number 3, that all supporting documents demanded for endorsement were duly complied with. Later and intent request, location map, building sketch plan approved by the municipal engineer, endorsement of Barangay Council and documents verifying authenticity of the window machine. Number 4, that zoning clearance and BFP clearance were among the required documents but not yet complied with. Finding and recommendation, premises considered, the committee is in opinion that the endorsement could be conferred since the proposal is somehow compliant to prevailing local laws. Wherefore, the committee recommends for the approval of its endorsement to be calendar for second reading in this particular session. Prepared, yours truly, Concord Juhad Harmain, Vice Chairman, Honorable Nina Saibol, and Honorable Michael Jorda, Member.
okay, any question po or clarification? Wala po, sige po, kayo mo.
Okay, Mr. Presiding, I move that committee report number 2024-09, subject request for the endorsement of proposed fuel bendo machine business of Mr. Michael D. Wibis located at Barangay Iraray, Socorro, Española, be approved.
Okay. Committee report number 2024-09 be approved. Number 5, committee report number 2024-25 be agreed.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Presiding. Committee report number 2024-25, submitted by Committee on Finance, Budget and Appropriation. Subject, consideration of the LHB resolution number 2023-006, recommending adoption of pertinent provision of DBM US Joint Circular Number 1S 2012. For the presiding officer, the committee to which the above cited measure was referred to had already convinced to consider the same. Those would like to present in the finding and recommendation with the following promises to it. Number 1, that local health board resolution number 2023-006 has been forwarded to the Sangguniang Bayan, which recommends for the adoption of DBM DOH Joint Circular number 1 series of 2012 that sets the rules, the regulation, and the grant of compensation related Magna Carta benefits to the public health workers, PSWs. Number 2, that some of the provision of subject circular are already implemented and the municipality except for the other benefits which include salary increase that 3 months prior to compulsory retirement among others. Number 3, that funds were already provided for benefits is stipulated in the circular except for the cited increase in the previous premises. Number 4, that funding will be facilitated when the circular has been adopted. Finding and recommendation, foregoing consider the committee share the opinion and adopting the provision of the circular for local implementation is the last thing the LGU could do and acknowledging the immense contribution of the health workers, wherefore the committee recommends to adopt the provision of the circular through an enactment of the ordinance to be calendar for second reading on the next regular session. Prepared by Johan Darmayan, Chairman Committee on Finance and Budget and Appropriation, concurred yours truly, Kagawad Nina Saibol, Kagawad Michael Jorda, member.
Question po. Kung wala po kayo mo, sir.
I move that committee report number 2024-25, subject consideration of the LSB resolution number 2023-006, recommending adoption of the pertinent provision of the DBM DOS Joint Circular number 1S 2012 be adopted.
Committee report number 2024-25 be adopted. Letter I, calendar of business. Letter A, unfinished business. No previous administration, none. Previous session, none. Business for the day, second reading. Number 1.
Mr. Presiding, author ka dito si Kagawad Alsani Bernardo. So, draft resolution number 2024-159, requesting the Honorable Jose Chavez Alvarez, Congressman, 2nd District of Palawan, for assistance in funding for the construction of two-story building at Pulong Interior National High School sa Puerto Española, Palawan. Authored by Honorable Alsani Bernardo, whereas local government unit were mandated to exercise all powers expressly granted in discharge other function and responsibilities necessary, appropriate, or incidental to efficient and effective provision of the basic services and facilities which such as school building, which include infrastructure facilities intended primarily to service the need of the residents, such as school building and other facilities for public, elementary and secondary schools, cross parentheses, section 17 of the local government code, whereas the municipal government strive hard and exhaust all its resources to respond to a foresighted mandate, but its meager fiscal resources does not equate with the services and facilities it needs to provide. Whereas the Office of the 2nd District Representative is a partner of the LGU in providing for the needs of the people that has ample resources to use for provision of basic facilities, whereas the Pulong Interior National High School in Supuño, Española, Palawan is need of additional infrastructure to support the growing number of students and to provide suitable learning facilities. Whereas the construction of a two-story building at Pulot Interior National High School is essential to address the increasing demand for adequate and conducive learning spaces, as well as to accommodate the increasing student population in the said educational institution. Now therefore, upon motion of blank duly seconded by blank, be it resolved as it is hereby resolved to request Honorable DCA Congressman Second District of Palawan for assistance and funding for the construction of three-story building at Pulot Interior National High School, Tupon Espanola, Palawan. So finally, that copies of this resolution be furnished to Congressman Jose Chavez Alvarez for his reference and appropriate action, Office of the Municipal Mayor, and all other concerned on their information and appropriate action.
Wala tayo po siguro mga tanong to, may remove na po.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Presiding. I move draft resolution number 2024-159 requesting the Honorable Jose Chavez Alvarez, Congressman, 2nd District of Palawan, for assistance and funding for the construction of two-story building at Pulot Interior National High School, Suponyo Espanola, Palawan, to be approved.
Ayan, remove yung duly seconded. Draft resolution number 2024-159 be adopted. Number 2.
Thank you very much, Mr. Presiding. Draft resolution number 2024-160 approving and adopting the 2025 annual operational plan of the health and nutrition sector, authored by yours truly. Whereas the Republic Act 11223 or the Universal Health Care UNC Act and the implementing rules and regulation IRR mandated the integration of local health system into the province-wide health system, which shall ensure shared responsibilities and accountabilities among members of the health system for the delivery of population-based services. Whereas Section 22 of the same Act states that the national government through the DOH shall provide financial and non-financial matching grants based on the approval province-wide health investment plans. Whereas province-wide health investment plan includes the local health investment plan of LGUs of municipalities, which are annually translated into operational plans of the annual operational plan or AOP. Whereas AOP reflects the details, the programs, plans and activities and system interventions that are to be implemented. Thus, it shall serve as the master plan for the activities of health and nutrition sector for 2025 and the basis for the grants and assistance from funding agencies. Whereas, upon review the PPAs and AOP, there were found to have addressed the health care needs of residents. Thus, inclusion in the annual investment plan program calendar year 2025 must be ensured. Now, therefore, upon motion by Councilor Blanc, seconded by Councilor Blanc, be it resolved as hereby resolved to approving adopting the 2025 annual operational plan of the health and nutrition sector. Resolved finally, the copies of the resolution be furnished to the municipal health office, office of the municipal mayor, office of the municipal budget officer, MPDO, and all other concerned for their information, reference, and appropriate action.
Madami pong question, if may po.
I move that resolution number 2024-160 approving and adopting the 2025 annual operational plan of the health and nutrition sector be approved.
It has been moved into the seconded. Draft resolution number 2024-160 be adopted.
Thank you very much.
Third and final reading. Draft. Ay. May I request po kung saan na kong ano ba dito? Ay, ano na ako lang bata? Ah, yung sabong po, tsaka yung tapor. Tatlo. Kaya, i-request ko rin po sana yung panitian ba, isama na lang kasi balik-balik na rin po yung si Mr. Amoy. Pang-apat po doon sana. Ito na lang kita po.
Okay, as a request by our presiding officer, siyempre, yung pagpayag ng ating mga councilors, thank you very much. I move that resolution number 2024 blank, granting the request of Barangay Iraray to hold 3 days. 161, okay. Granting the request of Barangay Iraray to hold 3 days in the case of February 15 to 17, 2024 relative to the celebration for its patron saint. Be approved.
It has been moved and duly seconded.
Draft resolution number 2024-162. I'm sorry. Wala decision. Okay. Granting the request of Barangay Isongbo to hold and operate every week a traditional Kakpay Tampor at Purok Magsasaka on Tuesday and to Purok Maligaya on Saturday. Be approved.
It has been moved and duly seconded.
Thank you. Draft resolution number 2024. Wala na ako kayo na lang mag-number, ma'am. Granting the request of Barangay Abu-Abu for endorsement of the cockfighting events this February 2024 be approved.
Duly seconded.
Thank you. Okay, request from the body. Resolution number 2024-01 of Barangay Pulong Interior, resolution requesting the municipal government of Pulong Española to grant the request of Barangay Government of Pulong Interior to hold Campur at Sitio Singka Barangay Pulong Interior every Saturday of the week be adopted.
It has been moved and duly seconded.
Number 2 pa? Number 3? Okay. May I request also? Forward resolution number 2024-02 Barangay Panitia requesting to hold traditional cockfighting Campur every Thursday Purok Pagkakaisawan Barangay Panitia sa Province Manila, Palawan to be managed by Mr. Camilo Acoy. Be approved.
It has been moved and duly seconded.
Thank you very much for all. Tulog na daw Mr. Presiding yung sana. Pasahin ko na pala ito. Sorry na talaga. Draft resolution number 2024-166 endorsing the proposed fuel window machine business of Mr. Michael D. Wives under CNS gas station located at Purok Pag-asa, Barangay Iraray, sa Province Española, Palawan. Sponsored by yours truly. Whereas the municipal government of Socorro Española, as mandated by the local government code 1991 RA 7160, is steadfast in securing the public safety that is explicitly provided in the section 16 of the code, thereby and strictly adheres to the imposes the provision of Department of Energy DOE Department Circular Number DC 2017-11-0011, the revised retail rules that outrightly discourage that the use and patronage of unsafe retailing of fuel. Whereas Mr. Michael Webes is a bona fide resident of the municipality who has expressed his intention to operate a fuel window machine business at Purok Pag-asa, Barangay Iraray, and requesting the endorsement of the August body. Whereas pertinent documents such as building sketch plan approved by the municipal engineer, location map, and documents verifying the authenticity of the window machine to be utilized were forwarded to the committee, confirming the viability of the proposed fuel retail business and the area that is hoped to help the motorists and other residents in need of fast and easy refill. Whereas, eyeing for the safe and legal trading of petrol in the community that Barangay Council of Iraray
favorably endorse the proposed fuel retail outlet through resolution number 11 series of 2024. Now therefore, a motion by Councilor Blanc, duly seconded by Councilor Blanc, be it resolved as it hereby resolved to endorse the proposed fuel window machine business of Mr. Michael Luis under CNS Gas Station located at Purok Pag-asa, Barangay Ryan, Soproño, Española, Palawan. Resolved further that the endorsement shall not be construed as automatic clearance or permit to remains business operation and that all documents required by the Bureau of Fire Protection Soproño Española and Oil Industry Management Bureau OIMB of Department of Energy shall be strictly complied with prior to onset of operation. Resolved finally that copies of this resolution be furnished to the business proponent and due licensing officer, DNR, OIMB, Bureau of Fire Protection Soproño Española, and all other concerned for their information, reference, and appropriate action. Question? Wala po, kanimo. Draft Resolution number 2024-166 endorsing the proposed fuel window machine business of Mr. Michael D. Wibes under CNS Gas Station located at Purok Pag-asa, Barangay Iraray, Soproño, Española, Palawan, be approved. Has been moved into the second read. Thank you very much, Mr. President. Third and final reading. Draft Ordinance number 2024-282. Ano po ng body? Wala na rin si Kagawad Johan. May urgent mission daw sana siya. Nasa DSWD. Ay, may lagi mo ito? 10, 9, 9, 10, 6. Yung 10 may deadline na po kasi ito.
Siguro itong 9 and 10, kasi certified as sergeant ng ating mayor natin. Kasi yung iba dyan, dapat kasi yan, ang nagre-request dito communicate, yung chief executive, certified as sergeant. Na yan kasi head of office, under siya ng ating chief executive. So, itong 9 and 10, siguro kasi si acting mayor tayo nag-certified dito eh.
Tsaka may deadline daw po ito. 9 natin, 5, 6 siguro. 5, 6. Bago na ba? 4, 5 or 9, 10? O apat na.
Mr. President, kasi yung 4 ano na yun, si Madam ito, DSWD nag-request nito, nag-communicate. So wala siyang power na magpa-urgent sa atin kasi hindi siya chief executive. Dapat dinanya sa chief executive. Chief executive yung nag-sign na, parang yung sa 9 and 10, basahin mo yung 9 and 10, magkaiba sila doon sa 4 and 5.
Okay. So sino pong mag-move? Ano Bernardo? Ikaw na lang po, Juan. Paki-move na lang po. Title na lang po. Out. Sa kanila yun. 9 and 10 po. Kindly move na lang po.
Sa ano, kasi chairman na lang ng rules.
So wala man siya.
Yung vice chairman.
Ay, Vice Chairman. Kasi kung siya dito kayo, paki-read na lang po yung title. May drop. Paki-read na lang po yung title 9 and 10. 9 at saka 10. God. Communication from the acting municipal mayor Marcito C. Acoy requesting authorization to enter into memorandum of agreement MOA with Western Philippine University WPU for the purpose of supporting the university on the job training o GT for student further urgent consideration of the Sangguniang Bayan is asked. That's with both in Johnny Secretary. And also number 10, Mr. Presiding, communication from the acting municipal mayor Marcito C. Acoy requesting authorization to the enter into the memorandum of agreement MOA with the Center for Health Development Health Development Mimaropa for the fund transfer of cash incentives for the mobilization strategy accomplishment by the NGO for further urgent consideration of the Sangguniang Bayan is asked. Sorry. Okay, it has been moved to the third and final reading. Draft Ordinance Number 2024-282, revoking Municipal Ordinance Number 2022-169, requiring the wearing of face mask in the territorial jurisdiction of the municipality of Socorro, Española, Palawan, and providing penalty for violation thereof, and of Municipal Ordinance Number 2020-191, requiring business establishment, government and private offices, institutions, and public transportation to strictly adopt and implement social distancing and other stringent precautionary measures to prevent and contain the transmission of coronavirus disease COVID-19 in the municipality of Socorro, Española, Palawan, providing penalties for violation, therefore and for other purposes, sponsored by Councilor Johan I. Hermay, is by approved. Number 2, Draft Ordinance Number 2024-283, creating the Municipal Epidemiology Surveillance Unit of the Municipality of Socorro, Española, Province of Palawan, appropriating funds therefore and for other purposes, sponsored by Councilor Freddy Gatungay Jr. is by approved. Letter C, unassigned business, none. Letter J, announcement and reminder. Mayroon po si Ma'am Secretary.
Meron pong invitation. Good morning po. Thank you, Mr. President. May invitation po from the Philippine League of Disbursing Officers and Municipal Treasurers and Philippine Academy for Business and Government Management.
May seminar po regarding achieving the seal of good local governance through technology and innovation. Ang schedule po ay mayroong 5, February 21 to 23, Baguio City, March 20 to 22, Davao City, April 17 to 19, Legazpi, Albay, May 15 to 17 in Bacolod City, and June 13 to 15 in Alaminos, Pangasinan.
Ayun, ano po, save the date na. Davao daw, sabi ni Councilor Chua, oh. Kay October, pailing na ni, malagaw na ta. So yun po, merong mga announcement si Letter K, adjournment.
Okay, kasi alam mo, ito ang regular session.
Okay. Our session is now approved. I adjourn.